How to fix can't follow anyone on TikTok. So if you want to fix can't follow anyone on TikTok, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with the bottom right, which has that profile option. Go with login. Make sure that you've logged into an account. After logging in, again go with the bottom right, which has that profile. Go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to scroll down. Go with free up space and tap on clear cache and tap on clear. This might fix your problem, but if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and you need to tap on data usage, and you will have data saver option. You need to go and turn off your data saver. After turning off your data saver, you need to go back and tap and hold on to your TikTok. Go with the app info, go with storage and cache, and after that go with clear cache. After clearing your app cache, now if you have any updates, you need to go and update your application on your Play Store. After that, restart your device, press and hold on to that power button, restart, and after restarting, problem will be fixed. That's it. That's how you can fix can't follow anyone on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.